What up, what up, what up? And this is Dion Smo, and we in the lab. Alright, I just want to do a quick review here. I'm doing a little bit of meditation this morning, and with all the new interesting things we've been seeing in the sky lately, I want to do this review on this 1965 scientist who admits that the moon is a plasma, that the government has created a moon that is a plasma. Now it's a conspiracy theory. Like, this is actually, this came from a real scientist. Let's go.
Get observable facts about the moon fairly soon. What is your theory?
Well, it is by now rather more than a theory. 10 or 11 years ago, I stated to various scientists that the moon is not a piece of rock, but it is plasma.
Not a piece of rock, plasma.
Plasma phenomena, cosmic plasma. And that this fact will eventually be confirmed. I made certain predictions which were already confirmed in 1958, and the situation now is coming close to a complete confirmation.
What will be the result if you're proved to be correct in your theories?
The result will be profound and decisive, because it will give proof that a complete reinvestigation of the laws of nature is necessary. Because if the moon is a plasma, no man will ever land on it. The soft landing attempts will all fail.
Boom! If the moon is a plasma, no man will ever land on it.
That means that the mass of the moon is less, far less than as currently assumed. It's in a different stage of energy, and it has far less mass. That means there is no more explanation for the tides. If the moon, for example, had only a thousandth part of its current mass, then the tides would only be 2 inches high under conventional theories instead of sometimes 14 feet. And that means that if it is proved that the moon is a plasma, then all gravitational theories are out, and the new concept of the cosmos and of its laws has to be evolved.
Boom!
Aren't you being a bit adventurous, though, because you know we're going to be able to test out your theories on the moon fairly soon?
Well, not anymore. 11 years ago, of course, it was rather taking a risk. I was considered a lunatic, of course. But by now, the evidence, accumulated evidence, is already so much in my favor that I'm not taking any risk anymore. On the contrary, there is scientific views expressed all over the world now that the moon seems to be of a quite different nature than what was assumed.
And the Americans and Russians are thinking of landing men on it.
Well, that will never happen. Not on the moon. On Mars, on Venus, and other planets, yes. But the moon is definitely,
That's interesting. Now, he admits that it's possible to land on Venus, Mars, and all that, but not the moon. I don't know if I agree with that, but he's on the right track.
the plasma.
So there you have it. The moon is not what we think it is, you know. The moon is a plasma, guys. This came from a legit scientist, not some fat Cheeto eating licking motherfucker from NASA. This is from a real scientist.